Magandang buhay sa lahat! Welcome back dito sa aking Mathematics Tagalog tutorial. Sa video na ito ay papaliwanag ko sa inyo about solving parallelogram on how to solve for the value of x and other parts of the parallelogram. So sa ating pong figure, we have side MA is 2x minus 30 and side HT, we have x plus 15. So paano nga po ba i-calculate the value of x applying the properties of parallelogram? Yan po yung aking papaliwanag sa inyo step by step. Okay, so let's start with number 1 example. What's the value of x in parallelogram math? Okay, so find letter A, value of x, and letter B, we're going to find the measurement of side MA. So ito po yung ating figure. Okay, so the name of the parallelogram is MATH or math in short. So we are going to solve for the value of x and the measurement of side MA. So ito po yung MA, side MA. So, yung measurement ng side MA ay 2x minus 30 at yung HT is x plus 15. Okay, notice here, ang given sa ating parallelogram ay opposite sides. So, ano po ba ang concept ng opposite sides? Opposite sides of a parallelogram are congruent. So, opposite sides are congruent or equal in measurement. So, ibig sabihin, mula po dito sa properties ng parallelogram na ito, ay makakagawa tayo ng simple equation to solve for the value of x. Okay. So, since congruent yung opposite sides, MA at HT, pwede po tayo makagawa ng equation. We have MA is equal to HT. Okay? And then, substitute natin yung given sa ating simple equation. Ang MA ay 2x minus 30. Dito natin lalagay. Is equal to the measurement of HT. HT, the measure is x plus 15. So, equal natin dito x plus 15. So, meron tayong equation, 2x minus 30 is equal to x plus 15. So, apply natin yung knowledge natin about solving simple equation. Okay? So, meron tayong 4 terms. We have 2x minus 30, x plus 15. So, lahat ng may variable x na term, ilagay natin sa left ng equal sign. So, itong 2x, remain na siya kasi nasa left na ng equal sign. Itong x, lilipat natin sa left side. Okay? So, it will become 2x. Yung x ay positive siya pag nilipat mo sa kabila ng equal sign, change sa sign, positive to negative. So, negative is minus, kaya 2x minus x. Okay? Is equal to, yun naman pong 30, wala pong kasamang variable. So, ililipat naman natin sa right side. Isasama natin sa 15. Okay? So, 15, dyan na sa right side kasi wala siyang variable. And then, itong 30, lipat natin. Since ito po ay minus 30, pag nilipat sa kabila ng equal sign, magiging change sa sign, x plus 30. Okay? So, magkasama na yung term na may x at yung term na walang x. So, what is 2x minus x? 2x minus x is equal to 1x or just x. So, sa subtraction of polynomial, just copy the variable x kapag magkapareho. We can subtract and then subtract the numerical coefficient. So, 2 dito at dito ay walang nakalagay na number, automatic ito po ay 1. So, 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So, kapag 1 ang numerical coefficient, no need to write. Kaya x na lang po. 1x or x. So, that will become x is equal to, add natin what is 15 plus 30, that is equal to 45. So, the value of x here is equal to 45. Now, nakuha na natin yung value ng x, makakalculate na natin yung value ng side MA. Okay, so since the value of x here is equal to 45, masolve natin yung side MA. Ang MA ay ito. Ang measurement niya ay 2x minus 30. So, lagay po tayo ng equation. MA is equal to 2x minus 30. So, mula po dito sa ating given 2x minus 30, substitute natin yung value ng x na 45. So, this become 2 or MA is equal to 2 times ano yung value ng x. Ang ibig sabihin po ng 2x is 2 times x. Ang x ay 45, kaya 2 times the value of x, 45. And then bring down minus 30. Okay? And then simplify muna natin. Multiplication first before subtraction. M-das po tayo. So 2 times 45 is equal to 90. Then bring down minus 30. And 90 minus 30 is equal to 60. So therefore, the measurement of side MA is equal to 60. So dapat kung ito ay 60, dapat ito rin po ay 60 yung side HT. Susubukan po natin. So, since ang x is 45, so 45 yung x dito, so 45 plus 15 is equal to 60. So, pareho po silang 60 na measurement. Okay, so how about this number 2 example? What is the value of x in parallelogram copy? So, this time, ang given po natin ay parallelogram copy or COPY. So, find the value of x and the measurement of side CY. Ito po yung side CY. Okay, so mula po dito sa ating figure, ang CY is 3x at ang OP ay x plus 40. So again, yung dalawang sides na ito ay opposite sides. So kapag opposite sides, magagamit natin yung property ng parallelogram na opposite sides are congruent. Ano po? Okay? So, gawa po tayo ng ating equation. So, CY is equal to OP. Okay? So, sila po yung magka-opposite. So, ito po yung CY at ito po yung OP. Okay? So, OP and then CY. Equal lang po natin. Again, substitute natin. CY is, ito, 3x. Lagay po natin dito, 3x. Okay? Is equal to, what is the measurement of OP? Ito po yung OP natin. The measure is x plus 40. Okay? Substitute natin, x plus 40. So, we have here 3x is equal to x plus 40. Ito po yung ating simple equation. Again, to solve for x, lahat ng may variable x na term, ilagay natin sa left ng equal sign. So, itong x, lipat natin sa left. So, positive x will become negative x. So, 3x minus x is equal to, maiwan yung 40 sa right. Ano, kasi wala siyang variable x. And then, again, subtract natin 3x minus x. So, copy variable x, subtract numerical coefficient 3 minus 1. And what is 3 minus 1? 2. And then yung variable x, so 2x is equal to 40. So, this time, 2x is equal to 40 yung ating equation. Ang sinusolve natin ay value of x, x only. May kasamang 2 ito, remove the numerical coefficient na 2. How to remove? Again, to remove, divide by 2 to both side of the equation. Okay? Bakit po tayo divide by 2? Kasi 2 po yung kasama ng x. So, ang purpose niyan, para makancel natin itong 2 na yan. Okay? So, ang maiwan po dito ay x is equal to, so always po ha, kung ano po yung dinivide natin sa left ng equal sign, yun din ang di-divide natin sa right ng equal sign. Kaya parehas natin silang i-divide by 2. So what is 40 divided by 2? That is equal to 20. So therefore, the value of x here is equal to 20. Okay? So lagay po natin sa taas, x is equal to 20. Magagamit natin yan to solve for the measure of side. Ito pong cy na ito. Okay, so let's try to solve side CY. Ito po yung CY natin. CY is equal to 3x. Again, what is the value of x? Substitute natin dito. Okay? The value of x is 20. So, that will become CY is equal to 3. Then, yung value ng x na 20. So, what is 3 times 3? 20. That is equal to 60. So, CY is equal to 60. Since ang CY ay 60, dapat ang OP is 60 also. Okay? So, try natin substitute. Oral natin. Ang x ay 20, x plus 40. So, kapag ang x ay 20, gawin po natin 20 itong x na ito. What is 20 plus 40? 60. So, ibig sabihin, kapag ang CY ay 60, OP is 60 also. So, opposite sides are congruent or equal in measurement. Okay, so for number 3 example, so we have, what is the value of x in parallelogram mine? Okay, ito po yung mine, M-I-N-E. So the measure of side ME is 3x minus 2 and side IN is x plus 18. So we're going to solve for A, value ng x, at that will be value ng or the measurement of side ME. Okay, so kayo po muna, iwan ko po itong activity ninyo. Pwede po ninyong i-post yung video na ito and then solve for the value of x and side ME. And then, continue po ninyo yung video na ito. At the end of this video, ay andun po yung sagot. Check po ninyo kung tama yung inyong sagot. Salamat sa pod, kaibigan. Kung nagustuhan mo yung video na ito, please click like and then subscribe kung bago ka pa lang po dito sa aking channel. Okay, so this is the value of x for number 3 example. The value of x is equal to 10. Okay, letter A question, x is equal to 10. And letter B question, measurement of side ME. ME is equal to 28. Okay, kung tama yung sagot mo, congratulations. Kung hindi naman, try to study again the lesson. Pwede po ninyong i-review, pwede po ninyong i-replay yung video na ito to understand the lesson.